Redwire's CEO expressed optimism about the company's prospects in a statement. We enter 2025 with strong momentum as we look to close the Edge Autonomy acquisition in the second quarter. The full year 2024 recorded robust top-line growth with revenue reaching $304.1 million, a year-over-year improvement of 24.7%, while net loss increased by $87 million to $114.3 million, including a non-cash loss of $52 million due to an increase in fair value of private warrant liability and a $7 million loss contingency related to a securities lawsuit. For the 12 months ended December 31, 2025, Redwire is forecasting full-year revenues of $535 million to $605 million. Some key Redwire technological launches and significant contracts to go over involve launching Sentinel-CAM on Intuitive Machines' lunar lander, a new contract with the European Space Agency for spacecraft design, and a deal with Orion Space Solutions to deliver a Mako spacecraft for the U.S. Space Force. This comes on the heels of positive developments like bioprinting live human heart tissue aboard the ISS in May 2024, and an agreement with Phase 4 for advanced thruster technology announced in July 2024. Additionally, by the end of 2024, Redwire solidified its presence through partnerships and expansion capacity. Another more recent Redwire win came with the award of a study contract by the European Space Agency, ESA, to conceptualize a spacecraft platform for future missions to Mars as part of ESA's Lightship initiative. Redwire's Belgian subsidiary, Redwire Space NV, is one of 4 companies selected for this project. The company will adapt its small satellite platform, Hammerhead, and its avionics capabilities for the mission. This collaboration aims to advance humanity's presence beyond Earth while pushing the boundaries of small-sat innovation. For more on Redwire and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.